bottle opener.
Damn! We had to move, so we couldn't keep. So we gave him to his parents, okay? Because they have a big ass backyard.
Hey, he just busted out. She killed my.
No, shut up at first, okay? Then I broke up with him, and I was gonna be petty, and I was just gonna kill him to give. Well, anyways, I didn't know how to text him first. I was like, "Ooh, dog, perfect," you know.
Yeah.
I was like, "Hey, let me see your dog one time."
Check out my cute dog.
Well, anyways, we hung out, right? And I was like, "Can I watch your dog for one night since you go to work?" And his work was literally like a couple of blocks from my house back then. He's like, "You know what? Fine, I'll come get my dog after work." I was like, "Okay, cool." So I watched it. Motherfucker didn't tell me what the dog eats, anything. He just handed me the dog off.
I don't scrape that shit, and they come up to me and they're like, "We know you didn't scrape it, bitch."
Listen, you
I'm
know
like,
what's funny?
"Bitch," because then that old Chinese guy will look at me. He's like, "Can I have the scraper?" I'm like, "I don't know where it's. You gotta listen." My
There
tape
is
looks
3
dirty
other
though.
people that have it.
Hey guys, if you're wondering about that dog story, I apologize. These guys are way off topic. They're not really used to vlogging, the vlog life, but I got some other clips here for you. This is my sister with her friend Delaney. Say hi. This is DC, and this is my boy Carlos. Say what's up, Carlos?
What's up, bro?
Yeah. This is legit. This is YouTube, and this is exclusive vlog channeling stuff.
My whole finger just came off.
All right, look, check it out. You can't see it well because there's no lighting, but let me see if I can get this motion light to turn on. Oh, they're doing some choreography, sword battling. Oh man, that's high definition action.
You gotta block it.
Ooh, almost blocked it, almost.
Across the top. Blinding spray! Me and Zeke like, well, I guess we're gonna go to Walmart. So we go to Walmart, and then 1:30 come around, and they're like, we need the cake, we need ice, we need this.
That's crazy, I don't understand it either.
Go get that. So we're like, damn. So me and him trying to run while they trying to put the house up, and then 30 minutes early, the kids show up. So we out there test flighting this fucking helicopter.
I don't know if you saw
Trying to figure out how
that.
to drive his helicopter when they pull up. And I'm like, oops. Back this up real quick. He's here. Oh, fuck, I hear it, bro.
Oh shit! Damn! That's dope!
Hey, my girl's a badass, bro. Get a picture of me like this.
Dope! Bro, these aren't good life decisions, but they're funny ones.
I'm putting water on everything that's burning. The cops are on the way.
Are you really?
Oh, shit!
Yeah!
I like it.
And we're drinking some beer bongs. All
We had a
right,
fire pit.
are you ready? I'm recording right now. Let's get it.
You want me to hold it?
Yeah, oh shit.
He's about to drink it right now.
On there, bro.
And we're about to get
Alright, 3, 2,
Go. Oh, you got
chug. We getting drunk, mother.
it. Damn, he down.
Yeah, we getting fuck. Woo.
If I wasn't driving, I'll take it.
I mean, I hate to ask you to open this with your mouth, but
Nah, I want to see this, bro. Hold up.
damn!
I can.
I did that shit, bro. Yeah, pure damage
Whoa.
115.
And don't be a hoe.
Shit, we're breaking up. Essentially.
Show.
A beer bong on camera?
Yeah.
I don't want
Should be fine.
Nah, that's his.
I think you already passed it.
Nah, there we go.
Should be fine.
Believe me.
No.
But
I'm like semi-sober.
You see, you're fucking sober, man. I'm done with